Hello! This video will be an overview of the action research on a collaboration PLC and the accompanying website. The website, just like the research, have been broken down into the following parts: purpose, literature review, research plan and data, dissemination plan, conclusion, and works cited. The purpose section gives the background, problem statement, and research questions for this project. It grew out of an interview with a middle school media specialist, during which the librarian noted, teachers feel very pressured to get certain curriculum done and think anything beyond that they do not have time for. There has never been a year where something is taken off their plates. There's always more added. They're just trying to do their best. My only frustration is I feel I can ease some of the burden, but that message is not getting through. In order to help get that message through, this particular action research seeks to create a PLC that includes the library media specialist and 8th grade ELA team focused on collaboration. There are 3 specific questions being researched. What skills do 8th grade ELA teachers and the media specialists need to develop in order to collaborate effectively? What are the significant barriers to collaboration between the 8th grade ELA teachers and the LMS? And how effective is a PLC focused on teacher-librarian collaboration and improving the number of collaboratively delivered 8th grade ELA lessons? This focus on collaboration and the PLC came out of the literature review. These articles noted that the best way to have teachers learn collaboration is through professional development. Given that one of the barriers already identified is time, using a PLC format guarantees that such professional development is built into the school day. Having established the research questions and the format of a PLC, this is the action research plan that was created. It includes various steps, including a survey of potential participants, formation of the actual PLC, engagement in the actual PLC, and data collection. Speaking of data will be collected in various forms. For example, there will be surveys of 8th grade ELA staff. There will be archival data around ELA and LMS planning calendars, and there will be reflective journals and logs of PLC members. These various forms of data will guarantee the reliability and validity of any data collected. Several of the data collection tools will be based on the 3 C's chart, a continuum of collaboration that clearly defines the 3 parts or areas that lead up to collaboration: cooperation, coordination, and full-fledged collaboration. The website includes a sample data collection tool, a teacher school librarian PLC pre-survey for those who are interested. Once data has been collected, a dissemination plan has been created to get that information out to all stakeholders. It is in the form of this infographic and can be accessed right here on the website, or vis-a-vis this button at the bottom. Essentially, there are 3 groups of stakeholders that the dissemination plan seeks to reach: fellow staff members, administrators, and media colleagues at central office and other schools. So, ultimately, what are the conclusions about this action research plan? It is simple. Increased collaboration is the goal. While school librarians are explicitly trained on collaboration, teachers are not. A shocking fact, given the research shows collaboration in planning improves student achievement. This lack of training must be overcome, along with the other barriers to collaboration. This action research seeks to remedy both those issues. While this research focuses on the 8th grade ELA team, hopefully, the results of this research results in other content and grade level teams reaping the benefits.